it's Sandra, and it's my favorite time of the month. I'm going to do another giveaway, and the person that won for September never claimed their stuff. Too bad for them. Good for you. So what I'm going to give away is obviously the plates that I was going to give away in September. So it's M245 and M062. And then I'm going to add to this one more Maniology plate. And this is M408. This is a cool plate. This was from the Box of Night, and they had a clown theme. And I really like the images on this. So I have my own, of course. I had to get the Box of Night. This little guy, when you paint him, he really looks cool on a nail. So, and I love this thing, and I just love every image on here. It's a very cool plate, and I love the kitty on the bike. Very cool. But not only am I going to give those away, I'm also going to give the crystal clear stamper and scraper set from the Box of Night. I did open the box, but I did not pull out the, I pulled it out, but I didn't take it out of the plastic. So this is the exclusive stamper from Box of Night. I do not like these monocle stampers. I just don't like stamping with them. I like the ice cube ones. So let me see if I can get the design on here. Yeah, it's hard in the plastic. You can see a little bit there. But it's kind of like roses and some design on there. So I'm going to give this away too. So you've got 3 plates and a monocle stamper, an exclusive monocle stamper. And this will be for October's giveaway. And I will be drawing a winner on a Saturday. So you have until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the last Friday of October, which is October 25th. So what you have to do is in the comments, you have to put enter or enter me or something to do with enter. And you have to have your enter in by no later than 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday the 25th. Whoever wins will end up having to email me their mailing address, and their plates and stamper will go out. Hopefully, I'm going to try to do it early. I don't know that you'll get it before Halloween, but you'll have it, as soon as I can get it to you. So anyway, that's what you have to do. You must be a subscriber. If you win and I see you're not a subscriber, then I just go on and I do the random picker again. And if you buy anything from Maniology, please don't forget to use my code, which is NS10. Gives you 10%, and it gives me a small commission so I can keep doing these giveaways. So good luck to everyone, and thanks for watching.